Well, it's the Funk Dr. Spot.
Met the cow.
Biggie.
Yo, come on, big.
Fuck that, I preach it, my nine reaches, the prestigious, cats that speak this, Willie shit, flooded pieces, my hand releases, snatches, smacking cabbage, half-ass rappers shouldn't have it, so I grab it, never run, the outcome is usually a beat down brutally, fuck who you be or where you're from, west or east coast, squeeze toast, leave most in the blood they laying in, what, them rings and things you sing about, bring them out, it's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth, it's more than I expected, I thought your jewels was rented, but they wasn't, so run it, cousin. I could chill, the heat doesn't. Ran up in your shell about a dozen. You never see bank like Frank White. Your hand clutching, your chest plate, contemplate. You about to die, nigga, wait. Keep your hands high.
I don't brown nose out of town hoes. I'm up around 4 with the crowbar to the 5.0. I get bagged, I'm John Doe. Suspect, you ass like prime roasting. Calvin Klein clothes. Explode the pyros when Doc gets the pier. I'm out there, I'm boarded with George Jetson here. Your time is near, so get your body dropped off. I stopped trusting niggas since Gotti got caught. It's bricks, keep your wrist covered. I'm piss colored by the waist, got a gun as dark as Chris, brother. I see you, my shiesty crew, like ice me too. I break your legs, leave your eyes slightly blue. The Doc is born with a grenade palm. I'm concurrent in your hood like a teenage mom. Yo, Biggie,
what?
She having my baby. If I pull out the AK, keep your hands high.
This rule is so underrated.
Acting as if it can't happen. You're fronting.
Ain't no other kings in this rap thing. Biggie, a motherfucking rap phenomenon. This rule is so underrated.
Acting as if it can't happen. You're fronting.
Ain't no other kings in this rap thing. Biggie, a motherfucking rap phenomenon.
I got a new mouth to feed. I'm due south with keys. Y'all pick seeds out your weed. I watch cowards bleed. Motherfucker, please. It's my block with my rocks. Fuck that hip hop, them 1-2s. And you don't stop. Me and my nigga Lance took him and C's advance. Bought 10 bricks, 4 pounds of weed plants from Branson. Now we lamping, 12-room mansion. Bitches get naked off get money. Players anthem, don't forget one more chance in my other hits, other shit. Niggas spit be counterfeit. Robbery come naturally, in and out like fucking rapidly. Pass the gat to me, make his chest rest where his back should be. Talking blasphemy, blasphemy your family. Rest the coffins often. Frank Wizard, far from soft or fragile. Play hard like Reggie Miller. Rapper slash dope dealer slash gorilla slash illest turn killer.
Don't approach me with that raw shit. You out of pocket. I take these adolescents back to spot fit. Mentally, my energy is like a figure 8. On its side, that's infinity. Too many sick niggas, nickel nines, bring the remedy. When you